Now let's talk about the best thing you can do to get a solution to your slip disc. Best thing you can do is to go and get an assessment and find out what is driving that disc pain. What is the underlying reason behind it? Because everything else, to be honest, is just going to be managing symptoms. So if you go for acupuncture, if you go for massage, if you take pain relief, they're all going to help reduce the symptoms. But if there is some underlying cause there, then you are not going to get that long-term outcome. If you remember in the previous video, I talked about the inefficiency of the leg. If you had an old knee injury, for example, if there's a weakness in the knee, when you bend down, your body's not going to want to put pressure to that knee, so it's going to use your back more. And even if all your back pain was gone, there's potential that that problem is going to come back if the back has to keep doing more than what it needs to do. So finding out what is that underlying cause is going to give you that long-term outcome. But if you're in a lot of discomfort with your slip disc, let's talk about what you can do now. So the first thing you need to do is get that pain under control. So some pain management, some pain relief. Go to your GP, get some pain relief. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, that is fine. Long term, it is not a good option, but in the first 1 to 2 weeks, it's okay. Second thing you can do is movements. Now, if you are having a bad day, so if you are quite irritable and if you are quite sore, then you won't be able to move too much. You'll have to take it easier. But if you are not too bad, then movement is a great natural form of pain relief. And you might notice that after a long car journey or after sleeping, or say if you're on a long flight, you'll be sore and you'll be stiff when you get out because you haven't moved as much. So doing as much movement as you're able to do is a good thing. But to be honest, if you want to get that long-term outcome and that long-term solution, finding out what is the true driver, that true cause that is prolonging your disc pain or causing that disc pain is going to give you the best solution. And if you need help with this, we can help. Just pop your name in the comments below and we'll get in touch and we'll give you some advice on that.